I'm Chance the Rapper. I rap. When I think about Black history, I'm starting to understand it as world history because Blackness is global and we exist everywhere in all spaces and have since the dawn of time. Coming to the continent really reinforced and informed my understanding of us as a larger people. I felt like it was something that was beckoning me. There were a lot of people that didn't believe that it was the right timing or that wasn't the right country or wasn't the right, themes around it or that, that there was too much of a difference between, but we Black and we know how to, put some stuff together. Like that's what it comes down to. And like we're communal people, we're organizing people. We're we shined that night. It was 52,000 of us. WhatsApp was a huge part of organizing the festival. Like having to work with, literally hundreds of vendors. There was literally probably 40 or so different group chats, like group chat with the University of Ghana, group chat with the National Museum of Ghana, group chat with Surf Ghana. We had to be like in communication with a ton of people, like entire other staffs and teams that are working on a different time zone in a whole nother country, on a whole nother continent. Myself and a lot of like the team got an awakening to like how people communicate specifically through WhatsApp, like how they send photos, how they like group chat. Like it's like it was a new experience, but I realized also like that's my American-centric like view of the world is like I didn't know that's what everybody uses in the world. I'm still using WhatsApp. Like I didn't start using WhatsApp until I did the festival, but I'm still using WhatsApp now. There were a lot of times where, even outside of just traveling to Ghana, where we've had to organize events where we needed the information to be encrypted and to be safe. Being able to organize in a politically minded way for the benefit of the community and do it like, in a secure way is like, that's the move. And the Black Starline Fest was something that was so important to people that weren't even there. People around the world knew about it. The way that it was promoted and the way that, I guess, the word spread about it was that, like, it was like a big repatriation. There's a sense of pride in it. The people that were there, like, you just could see it on their faces, like, the smiles, the tears of joy. We need that, and we're gonna have that.
Yep.